The environment is interdependent. All ecosystems are connected to other ecosystems. Changing something doesn't only change that specific thing, it starts a cycle of change all through the ecosystem. We can't control nature, but the destruction that we are causing is eliminating the natural defense mechanisms that nature itself has against disasters that attack the ecosystem. Mangroves, dense vegetation, are all part of absorbing huge amounts of water and eventually stabilizing. Humans need to change the anthropocentric worldview, put on us through society, technology, and the Judeo-Christian tradition, and adopt a biocentric worldview, where humans work with nature to protect our homes rather than working against it. I want people from all different backgrounds to stop and think about the environment, think about decisions made worldwide about how to work with nature for our safety. The greatest problems we face is increased deforestation, desertification, and overpopulation. All, if not controlled, would lead to a world without sustainable resources, without spirituality or moral sensibility for other species or natural objects. I dream that people from all industries should join together to work with nature through natural barriers, carbon sequestration and reforestation to make natural cycles such as water recuperate. There are many barriers that stop individual change, institutional and structural change. Technology will be able to halt climate change. It's definitely one that most people will agree on. But if you can agree that there is too much uncertainty in regards to this, then other changes need to be developed. This is just one of the psychological barriers that are present in people's minds, and since they are focusing on what's going on now, it becomes harder to focus on the future. But humans are planning animals with expectations for the future and their descendants. If you can agree with the responsibility and the duty we have to our descendants, they should not have to inherit a polluted, desolate world, and that their vital interests should not be limited, then you must agree that what we are doing now constitutes as a huge injustice. If you understand the uncertainties of the future and accept that we do not have all the answers, then my idea holds true. We need to care about future generations. We need to develop using sustainable development concepts in order to prevent as much negative change and loss as we can, working through our fossil carbon use and trying to limit our growing population. Human innovation and ingenuity is incredible. We have the knowledge and skills to move in the right direction. We just need to remember that future persons have the same rights as we do.
Supporting events like Earth Hour, which is minimising our energy consumption, which I think will help obviously cut the CO2 emission.
Just general respect for the environment regarding recycling and stuff like that.
I think we are taking for granted the problem, and we really need to find a way to spread the word and make people understand how serious the problem is and how much and how important their health will be.
I think we can still do this. I mean, everyone's gonna have to work together, and there's a chance we can save the environment. Now, is it gonna be something that's gonna be easy? No, but as I said, people are gonna give their hands and they're gonna put their effort, and it's possible. There's still time, and that's the purpose of all this video and all that, because there's still time. I'm gonna be trying to work when there's no time left. Now, this is the right time. This is the time that we do something about it. That's what I have to say.
I think we should conserve our environment for the future of our kids. There's a lot of smoking, there's a lot of killing of animals. I think it should stop. And I think you do think so too. Thank you.